Greetings to everyone on behalf of Pharmadocx Consultants. Today, I, Anmol Singh, will provide information regarding the licenses for import and manufacture of various types of gloves. First, we need to understand what are the different types of gloves as per Indian Medical Device Rules 2017. As per Government Notification 29/MISC/03/2020-DC/186 dated 13 September 2021, link to which has been given below. Gloves are broadly classified into 5 categories, with latex examination gloves, non-latex examination gloves, and radiation protection gloves falling under Class A, and latex surgical gloves and non-latex surgical gloves falling under Class B. First, we will talk about Class A products. Examination gloves non-sterile fall under Class A of medical device rules and hence are exempted from MD5, MD15 licenses. In order to import examination gloves in non-sterile condition, for example latex examination gloves, nitrile examination gloves, powdered or non-powdered examination gloves, you need to do registration as per Chapter 3B of the medical device rules. There is no government fee for registration under Class A as per Chapter 3B. More information about Chapter 3B registration can be found on our YouTube channel. Same is the case for manufacturing of Class A gloves. There is no government fees and the registration needs to be done as per Chapter 3B of the medical device rules. Now we will talk about gloves falling under Class B and sterile gloves. For manufacture of Class B gloves or sterile gloves such as latex surgical gloves, non-latex surgical gloves, a license on Form MD5 is required, checklist for which can be downloaded from our website. The license on Form MD5 is granted by the state FDA. Government fee for the same is 5,000 rupees for license and 500 rupees per product. The application is made on Form MD3 and the state government allots a notified body for your audit. The list of notified bodies can be found on NABCB portal. Once the audit has been completed and all the queries raised have been resolved, the recommendation to grant license is sent to the state FDA and the license is issued. Detailed video on the entire process of obtaining MD5 license can be found on our YouTube channel, link for which has been provided below. Now let's talk about import. For import of latex surgical gloves, MD15 is required. The list of documents required for the same can be downloaded from our website www.pharmadocx.com. The import license will be issued by CDSCO headquarters in Delhi. Government fee for the same is $2,000 per site and $1,000 per product. We at Pharmadocx Consultants provide services for both Class A and Class B products. We have been providing services to various firms pan-India and in foreign countries as well. You can contact us at 9996859227 or at contact@pharmadocx.com for guidance and consultation regarding various licenses of medical devices. Checklist for all the licenses and registrations can be downloaded from our website www.pharmadocx.com. We wish you all a best of luck for your endeavors. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share.